Hello guys and welcome back to Creative Process DIY. This video is sponsored by DOVOH. They sent me this amazing laser level, and even the floor in this gym I installed with the help of this laser level. For the last few months I've been using and testing this laser level. I used it when I installed tiles, flooring, I installed cabinets, and if you watched one of my last videos where I installed pavers in the backyard, I used this laser level, and it's always been behind the scenes for most of my last videos. I used it everywhere and I really like this product. It's very simple to understand, and I dropped it on hard surfaces such as concrete, pavers, and as you can see it doesn't even have scratches on it. And I really like this product. DOVOH provides a 5-year accuracy and a 2-year quality warranty. I'm gonna put a link in the description of this video where you can purchase this product. Use this discount code to get one tripod for free. Be sure to add both items to your cart. In today's video I'm gonna be installing this beautiful flooring. And we have here 336 square feet of this flooring. We only need 320, but it was the closest you can get for what we need. 36 tiles in each of these big boxes, and this one comes with 12 tiles. I'm gonna start installing them from this corner and then going this way. And we have a trim that will be installed after the flooring is done. Lay the puzzle pieces on the floor and interlock together, pressing down firmly for a smooth surface. To attach flooring to the existing floor, I'm gonna be using heavy-duty double-sided mounting tape. And I'm gonna attach one to the corner. Just make sure that you like the position of your tiles before sticking tiles to the floor, because this tape is so strong. I used them before when I installed the vinyl flooring, and believe me, the flooring is not gonna move anywhere. Continue installation of the puzzles. One row of the flooring in this room contains 5 puzzles. I would recommend you to attach at least 3 of them using heavy-duty tape for more stability. Attach remaining borders where needed for a finished look. Install a tile, slightly fold it, and make a cut using utility knife. It's very easy. If you have parts like this, use tape. It's gonna help you to hold this part in place. As you can see, now it's much better. I almost finished this part, except the trim around, but it's only a couple inches. My advice will be, don't do it before you install all of the big pieces. So this way you can save some material when you cut this part. So you're gonna have about 12 inches left. And I'm gonna be using this piece because it's identical on all sides in this room. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. And I only have 3 packs left, and it should be enough to install everywhere. I can take these parts and install it there. So now we can move to the next one. And I have to manually cut it, and as you can see, when you have it like this, it's much easier. And I don't cut it right where the edge is, but I actually leaving a bit more, so it's gonna hold much better and it's not gonna be loose. Then for small parts, I'm gonna also cut them out. I'm gonna try my best. But at the same time, I still can put them with a glue if they will be loose somewhere. Fortunately, this is just a part where I have 2.5 pieces that I need to cut. Now I have to cut this one too. And I have 3 more left. And as you can see, everything nice and tight, the same as in here. I finished this room. I finished this part, and what I have left is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, 6.5, and I have one full pack, and also I have a few pieces that I can use, like this one, the other one, and 2 pieces that I can cut from this. Everything is looking really good, and it's unbelievable how comfortable to walk on it. So after I finish the installation of the mats, I'm gonna install the trim for the door. I'm gonna install all of the trims around this room, and then I can start bringing equipment. Now, to finish this part, we need cutout pieces and just install it like this. And as you can see, it looks pretty good and finished. Looks, in my opinion, really nice. So the floor is installed in both rooms, and now I'm gonna start installing trim around. As you can see, it looks already finished. I made a connection and also a corner for the next one. So this one also is getting prepared for the installation. And here as well, I did cut the transition.